do you feel like your money is always slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to save? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the simple steps to take control of your money and turn your finances around starting today. Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that everyone struggles with at some point, managing money. It's not always easy, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get started. Step 1. Understand where your money is going. The first step to managing your money is knowing where it's going. You might not realize how much you're spending until you track it. Action. Start by tracking your expenses. You can use an app or even a simple notebook to write down every expense, from rent to your daily coffee. Tip. At the end of the week or month, categorize your expenses, for example, groceries, entertainment, bills. This will show you exactly where your money is going and where you might be overspending. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Now that you understand where your money is going, it's time to set some goals. Goals give you direction and purpose for your money. Action. Write down your goals. They could be anything from paying off debt to saving for a vacation or buying a new phone. Make them specific and realistic. Tip. Break your big goals down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to save $1,000 for an emergency fan, aim to save $100 a month for 10 months. Step 3. Create a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. Without one, it's easy to lose track and end up spending more than you should. Action. Set up a simple budget. Start with your income, then subtract your essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. What's left is what you can use for savings and fun stuff. Tip. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to essentials, 30% to non-essentials, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Emergencies are unexpected, but you can be prepared for them with an emergency fund. Having this cushion will give you peace of mind. Action. Set aside a small amount each month for your emergency fund. Aim for at least $500 to $1,000 to cover unexpected costs like car repairs or medical bills. Tip. Keep this in a separate account so you're not tempted to dip into it for regular expenses. Step 5. Pay off debt. Debt can feel like a weight around your neck, but the good news is you can take control of it. Action. List all your debts, credit cards, loans, etc., and tackle them one at a time. Focus on paying off the smallest balance first, or if the interest rates are higher, start with the highest interest debt. Tip. Consider consolidating your debt or transferring balances to lower interest cards to save on interest payments. 6. Save and invest for the future. Managing your money isn't just about getting by today. It's about securing your future too. Saving and investing is key to growing your wealth over time. Action. Start by contributing a small percentage of your income to savings or investments. You can begin with a simple savings account and later explore stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k. Tip. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, so don't wait. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Managing money is a dynamic process. Your financial situation will change over time, so it's important to review your budget and goals regularly. Action. Set aside time every few months to assess your financial progress. Look at your expenses, savings, and debt, and make adjustments as needed. Tip. Celebrate your wins along the way. Whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings milestone, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. 1. Track your expenses. The first step to managing your money is knowing where it's going. Start by tracking every single expense. There are so many apps out there that make this easy, like Mint or YNAB. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you know where your money is going, create a budget. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just break it into categories like essentials, savings, and fun money. Stick to it. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. An emergency and help you stay financially secure when the unexpected happens. Try to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will give you peace of mind. Step 4. Pay yourself first before you pay any bills. Pay yourself. This means saving a portion of your income as soon as you get paid. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Step 5. Eliminate bad debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control. Focus on paying off this debt as soon as possible. The sooner it's gone, the better. Step 6. Save for retirement even if you're young. Start saving for retirement now. The earlier you start, the more your money will grow. Use retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. Step 7. Set financial goals. Having clear goals makes it easier to stay motivated. Whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or going on a vacation, write down your financial goals and break them into smaller, manageable steps. Step 8. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings, bills, and investments. This takes the mental load off and ensures you never miss a payment or forget to save. Step 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, it's tempting to spend more. But avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. Keep living like you did when you had less, and use that extra income to save and invest. Step 10. Invest wisely. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. 11. Build multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income can be risky. Consider building side hustles, freelancing, or investing in passive income streams like dividend stocks or real estate. Step 12. Review your subscriptions. Those little monthly subscription fees can add up fast. Review what you're paying for regularly and cut out anything you don't use. Step 13. Understand your credit score. Your credit score can affect your ability to borrow money and the interest rates you pay. Make sure you understand it and take steps to improve it, like paying bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low. Step 14. Shop smart. Be mindful of where and how you spend your money. Look for deals, use coupons, and avoid impulse buying. Small changes can lead to big savings. Step 15. Live below your means. One of the most powerful things you can do is live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but it does mean being mindful and intentional about your spending. Step 16. Learn to say no. Don't be afraid to say no to unnecessary expenses. If something isn't contributing to your financial goals, it's okay to pass on it. Step 17. Negotiate bills. Sometimes you can lower your bills just by asking. Call your phone company, insurance provider, or cable service and ask if there are any discounts or promotions available. Step 18. Set up an investment plan. Don't wait until the last minute to start investing. Set up a clear investment plan, whether it's for your retirement or building wealth for the future. Step 19. Build good financial habits. Managing money is all about consistency. Build habits that align with your financial goals, like paying off debt, saving regularly, and avoiding unnecessary spending. Step 20. Track your net worth. Knowing your net worth gives you a snapshot of your financial health. Track your assets and liabilities regularly to see your progress. Step 21. Learn about taxes. Understand how taxes work and plan for them. This will help you avoid surprises at tax time and give you a clearer picture of your finances. Step 22. Cut back on luxuries. Cutting back on luxury items, like expensive coffee or dining out, can free up money for things that really matter, like investing or paying down debt. Step 23. Stay educated. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Step 24. Protect your assets. Make sure you have the right insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance. This protects you from financial ruin if something unexpected happens. Step 25. Celebrate milestones. Every time you hit a financial goal, whether it's saving a certain amount or paying off a debt, celebrate it. This will keep you motivated for the next milestone. And there you have it, 25 actionable steps that will help you manage your money better and build a brighter financial future. Remember,